In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a reverse curl on a cable machine. Now, firstly, if you've never used a cable machine before and you're looking to do this exercise, you're looking to find the straight bar attachment. They all look a little bit different, but once you've got your straight bar, notice at the top here, hopefully you can see on the camera, there's a little hole, and I'm going to pop this into the carabiner of the cable machine. So I pop the carabiner open. I'm then going to fasten my straight bar in. I'm going to lock the carabiner in place. Now that's not going to go anywhere. Now for a reverse curl, same as with just a normal curl, you need to pop this cable machine at the bottom of the cables. So what I'm going to do here is on the opposing side to the camera, there's a little pin mechanism. I pop the pin out and I can then slide this all the way down. And what I'm looking to hear is a little pop. Hopefully you'll hear it. And now that's fastened in. That is not going to go anywhere. Make sure you pick an appropriate weight. If you've never done this exercise before, try it out with the lightest possible weight. Make sure you're happy with it, get the form and technique right, and then you can put on an appropriate weight for you. So what I'm going to do now is make sure this cable machine is nice and straight, feet hip width apart, and I'm going to pick up the straight bar with a nice straight back. So picking up the cable machine, straight bar attachment, nice straight back, and then from here, elbows are locked into my sides. You'll notice I'm standing quite close here to the cable machine. Once my elbows are locked into my sides, the biggest difference between a reverse curl and a normal curl is the position of my palms. So hopefully you can see this. My palms are face down and not in a position like they would usually be for a bicep curl where they're face up. So once I've got feet hip width, elbows locked in, shoulder blades back, I'm only going to bring my elbow into a position where it flexes. So flex the elbow. Notice how the shoulder doesn't move at all. It's just the elbow coming up and down. And you're trying to keep the wrists really strong during the motion. Don't come into a position where they're too far extended like this or flexed. You want to be nice and neutral with the wrist. Elbows locked in at all times. And of course, this is going to be working a lot more of your forearm muscles than your usual bicep curl. You'll still get the biceps working, but you've of course got a lot more demand on your forearms in this variation. Once you're done, nice straight back, return down, and you can let go of the attachment. So that is how to do a reverse curl on a cable machine, and you would repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.